Alright, well, take off the 6 lug nuts.
That's the...
Get this out of the way. You want to go ahead and clean that rotor. And then go ahead and put tire right under the car.
$14mm.
14mm.
Uh-oh. Trouble off the bat. Somebody already switched that bolt from 14mm to, I don't know, 12 or 13. Gotta get more tools stopped.
More tools? Okay. So right here, we're going to go ahead and take off this bolt. And that was a 14mm. The only thing is, looks like somebody has already done this one right here. So we got to put a different size. So we're going to go ahead and see what size that one is. We're going to go ahead and change the rotors and the brakes. As you can tell, they're completely gone. And then, so what we're going to have to do is take off this cap. And then go from there. Give me one moment.
Let me get past this.
What size is it?
Somebody put a 13mm in.
So 13mm. And now the one that we took off was top one right here, and right down here is on the brake. That brake, so we could go ahead and take that off. Careful of that wire right there.
Brake line.
Brake line. We went ahead and took off these 2 old brakes. So now what we need to take off. What size is that?
22mm.
22mm to get that big bolt. How many of them are there? 2?
2.
We don't want to take them all the way, or we're going to take them all the way out. We're going to go ahead and take them all the way out.
And the only thing they really need to see is in there, because there's no castle nut.
Alright, so the main thing on this car, it's a 2001 Nissan Frontier 6-cylinder, 2-wheel drive SE. The one thing that you notice is this right here is different. So you want to go ahead and take off
14mm bolts.
14mm bolts.
You can do that after it's down, but then it wants to spin around on you.
So now we want to take this off. We're just going to go ahead and get a screwdriver, tap it very lightly to loosen it up. Alright, and this just came off, and as you can see here, there are supposed to be 2 screws parallel to each other, but there's only one. So whoever did this before did not put that screw back on.
Yeah, it's kind of important.
So go ahead and take off that one screw.
Magnet.
And now
I got it here.
what we have is a magnet, as you can see right here. That magnet is gonna take that piece off. And now you want to keep it clean, not to get any dirt or anything on there.
That's where your bearings are.
Because that's where your bearings are. This right here actually
I
spins.
want to see how tight it is. No, not very much.
So it's not really too tight, you just want to spin it. You kind of use a Phillips screwdriver or something to pull that out, and as you can see, came off, spun easily. You don't want to put it too tight when you put it back as well.
Yeah, it's already been seated.
What was that?
It's already been seated.
It's already been seated? Alright, so here we should be able to pull.
Oh, we didn't want to do that.
All this out, but there's this, this bearing right here.
Oh, look at all the sand. Isn't that lovely?
Go ahead and take off all the sand or anything else on there and keep it as clean as you can.
We're going to go put this in a cup with some solvent and get all the debris out of it. So we'll go do that before we can
So because it fell, this is,
clean it.
we're going to go ahead and clear that bearing with some solvent so that we can take out any dirt. That one's actually an important piece. We don't want any dirt on there. And now this is what it looks like. As you can see, this comes off. Go ahead and put that right there. And this is the rotor. We're going to go ahead and place it with a brand new rotor right here. Old, new. You get really dirty. These are the brakes that I bought. You could use. There was ceramic and there was these ones. We chose these for better performance. They were around $45 at AutoZone. So you want to go ahead and have a wheel bearing grease, because right now we're cleaning it, and then go ahead and fill it back up so it could move easily.
Get all the rocks out.
To get all the rocks out here.
Plenty of rocks.
So there's a plenty, when I fall on the floor, there's a plenty of rocks, and plus just from all the dirt. This, you want to get this as clean as possible. Don't use water. Hey, you never know. Someone will.
And you can cut. You're gonna have to splice this all together. There's nothing worse than listening to a video that takes forever.
Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and get that bearing. We cleaned it off pretty good. And now we're going to grease it up. Mayoritaire med grease.
Make you useful, cameraman. I don't want to screw up my new gloves.
You want to save those and clean them.
I'll just send them home with you and you can reuse them.
To enjoy some commentary for all you guys listening.
We've got Jack Ball.
Bum, 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 bum.
grease off your glove and jam it in the bearing. It's amazing how much grease will fit in there. Just keep packing it away until there's no dry spots. Smart people have a grease feeder.
Agents say we're not smart.
We're not rich or something, I don't know. I don't have enough room for all the shit I'd like to have. This should have been laid down on a nice clean thing. What? Torque these down to specs.
Push that in there, that bearing.
In your hands again. Where's my other rag at?
That one? I'll go get it.
Yeah, that one right. Okay, turn it off.